Hello guys! So today, we're gonna be exploring Nottingham! Oh yeah, nandito na po tayo guys sa Derby. And as you can see this new background na tayo. So today is, hindi na yun, March 6. So today, we're just gonna be doing biglaang lakad for today. So this is my OOTD. A little dress and sunny outside. So hopefully, hindi ganun kalamig. Pero I doubt it kasi 9 degrees ang nakita ko kanina. Well, anyways, this is gonna be a fast gala today. Since palis pa lang kami ngayong lunchtime. And ang target na naman namin syempre is Jollibee. And of course, hopefully mapasok namin yung castle. Let's see. So, anyways, it's a biglaang lakad. And I hope you will enjoy joining with us. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the comment section below. And follow me into my other socials at Pao Catalan. O, diba? Medyo maayos na tayo magsalita compared sa mga earlier vlogs ko. But anyway, thank you for joining me and hope you enjoy! So hello guys! First order of business. Jollibee! Dining in muna tayo, no? Ano yung usual order natin. Mag-spicy kaya tayo. Para maiba naman. Spicy! Pero parang gusto ko burger ang kasama. May burger ba? Wala. Sige, ito na lang. Medium coke. Yes. Uy. Yes, please. Then, we have to add more. So, ayun. Nag-bus kami from Derby. Using makeover from this place namin. And then, from Derby sa Derby bus station, pumunta kaming sumakay kami ng Red Arrow sa bus station and directly here. And ginamit namin yung zigzag. So, for the two of us, 13 pounds. Di ba murang-mura na? Jolly Burger. Gusto ko ng Jolly Burger with cheese. Parang walang Jolly Burger. Ato. Mahal. But parang ang mahal. Gusto ko na naman mag-take out. Sige, take out tayo sa... anyways. So, yeah. Okay. My order is correct. Sige, go. And then, ginamit namin yung zigzag. So, it only cost us 13 pounds together. Lahat na ng bus na sasakay namin hanggang pag-uwi namin. So, yeah, murang-mura. 6.50 each. So, now, ready na tayo. Just wait for our order. Jollibee, Nottingham. Ganda. Dito lang ako nasa order. Hi, we're done with our lunch. So we're here in the old market. Yun yung famous na The Alchemist building. Ayan, ganda ng araw today. Sunny. So this is we're going to vintage store. So yeah, we'll walk around kami. See you later. Good morning everyone. So today we're gonna go to Sheffield. So it will be a day visit lang. So I'm gonna meet a friend and I hope maybe I can save some videos para medyo may makakita na ma-show ko naman yung Sheffield. Napuntahan ko na to kaya siguro revisit some places na lang. And hope you are gonna enjoy this place as much as I do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment down below in the comment section. And follow me on my other socials at Pao Catalan. And IG, TikTok, same lang lahat. So anyway, we're ready. Just gonna show you my OOTD. Kita ba? So yeah, nakaskirt ako today. A shirt, my DMs, and a jacket. So medyo ulan-ulan kanina. Hopefully, Hindi na umulan. So anyways, let's go guys. Waiting na lang ako sa Uber ride ko. See ya! So my Uber just dropped me off. Hindi ka na sama yun sa video. Pero we're here at the Derby Midland Station. We're gonna ride my train to Sheffield. Kaya pala ginagawa yung main street. But anyways, we're here. So 11:09 pa lang naman. Pero using my train app, bili natin yung ticket. Then going to Leeds yun eh. Not true. Anyways, yan, gamit yan. Okay, and let's get up. So I'm just looking. Anong platform? Platform 4. Platform 4 daw sabi. Maaga pa tayo guys. Kasi 11:09 pa. Platform 4. Wala ako bigla. Doon pa. Medyo malaking station dito compare sa 4. Naga pa tayo eh. Kaya hindi pa lumalabas sa. So I don't know if 5A or 4A, 4B. Well, let's just wait for a bit. I have been eating lunch naman. Mga EMR yung mga mostly nandito. Well, wala pa. Kasi masyado pa maaga. 10:51 pa latest. So, we'll wait a bit. Okay?
That's what I was thinking that. Yeah, so what we're going to do.
We arrive in Sheffield. Ay. Currently in Sheffield Cathedral. Mga snippets lang guys, sorry. Kasi nagchichikahan kasi kami. So, unting-unting mga share lang ako sa video.
Ang ganda ng musik.
Ang ganda. Ito yung parang sikat nila yan. Okay, later na lang ulit. Mainit guys. Ang botanical gardens nila. Yan, may mga bamboo. Sobrang lamig ba sa labas at ang init dito. Anyways, ayan. Ang ganda ng mga pine trees. Ito pa fountain. Ganda. may paparot. Char. Hi guys, I'm home. It's already past 6 o'clock. Ben, ang dilim. Ayan, sorry. Nagtitipid po tayo sa kuryente. So, ang gamit lang natin ay ang ating bed. side lamp. Anyways, I'm back at home and it's just a short day. One day lang naman. I think I was able to get some few clips, pero at least I was able to show you Sheffield. Wala siyang masyadong pasyalan unlike other places. Pero parang ano na siya, city na may malaking university. Anyways, I was happy to do this today. Yun lang, hindi ko lang na-share yung sa Moore Market niya na nakakatuwa, grabe. Merong paa ng baboy na pwede kong gawing sahog ng munggo na worth 1 pound each paa lang. Pero anyways, nakakatuwa lang. Napakamura. Hindi kasi sila kumakain dito ng ganun. Kaya siguro napakamura. So, para sa ating mga Pilipino na halos lahat ng parte ng katawan ng baboy ay kinakain, sobrang deal siya. Well, anyways, I'm back at home. Sakit na likod ko rin sa daming bit-bit kasi may mga dilata akong bit-bit from Philippines. And I'm just glad na kauwi na rin ako, makakapagpahinga na, and back to duty na naman bukas. And I'm so happy na nakita ko yung friend ko si Glenn na many years na kami hindi nagkikita. May letter pa nga siya sa akin, so I'm gonna read it in a while. So thank you for joining me today. Kahit onti lang yung na-share ko for this vlog. Short trip lang naman kasi, and mas madami kasi kaming chikahan. Syempre, hindi ko na ma-share yun. Ano na yan, moment na namin dalawa yun to bond. Yung pasyal, medyo onti lang. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment on the comment section below, and follow me on my other socials at Pao Catalan. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you guys. Hope you enjoy.